Unboxing a box from Enginehawk to me, but not for me, it's for Biker Girl. So we're going to unbox it, see what's in here. Biker Girl doesn't want to be in the video, she's being shy. So we'll slice through these two pieces of tape and we're going to gently, carefully open this box. There may be some more cutting to do. Oh yes, look, slicing through these pieces of tape. Slice and slice. Open up the box and here we are. If we look, I'm going to ask Biker Girl to come over here, but I'm going to turn off the camera because she doesn't want to be on camera. I'm going to get Biker Girl to slice through here very gently. Use two hands. So just slice very, very gently. Just slice the seal. Now lift up the piece of paper. And now lift up the other piece of paper. Now, well, it's got
wow,
two lots of wrappings. And there is the jacket. I'm going to take the jacket out.
how exciting.
Isn't it just? I'll take the jacket out of the plastic wrapper. And here is the Enginehawk Renegade jacket in size 3.
It's absolutely beautiful.